Attending workshop in the Pain Management Centre, Jaipur. It is quite helpful. For 2 days workshop we attend, and it is very much helpful for us for better understanding of the sonoanatomy and all the nerves, arteries, the fine structures. All things become crystal clear, and a lot of things that we not used to see during ultrasound, and that now we can see that. It is very much helpful for everyone, radiologist, sonologist, anesthesia, orthopedics, to know the better anatomy and for help in day-to-day practice of MSK practice. It is very much helpful, and it works in every joint, shoulder, knee, ankle, wrist, elbow. It's very much helpful for us, and so everyone should attend it, and now then see the difference in day-to-day practice of MSK ultrasound cases.